Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about long-run economic growth. Let's start off with a question. Why are some countries rich today while others are still struggling economically? The answer often comes down to something called long-run economic growth, which means how much a country's income per person increases over many years. Even small differences in growth rates can make a huge difference over time. Let's compare South Korea and Haiti. In the 1960s, both countries were relatively poor. But today, South Korea is one of the world's most advanced economies, while Haiti remains one of the poorest in the Western Hemisphere. So, what explains this huge difference? One major factor is education, also called human capital. South Korea invested heavily in education. Today, it has very high levels of university completion and a highly skilled workforce. When workers are more educated, they can produce more in the same amount of time. That increases productivity, which increases income. Haiti has struggled with access to quality education, which limits skill development and economic growth. Another key factor is institutions, meaning the rules and systems that shape how a country operates. South Korea developed relatively stable political and legal systems. Businesses feel safe investing when property rights are protected and governments are stable. Meanwhile, Haiti has experienced political instability and weak institutions. When businesses don't feel secure, they invest less, and growth slows down. South Korea also invested heavily in infrastructure and technology, like transportation, communication networks, and manufacturing industries. This allowed it to compete in global markets and become a leader in electronics and automobiles, while Haiti has struggled with infrastructure and disaster recovery, which makes long-term investments much harder. In the long run, economic growth depends on education, strong institutions, investments, and innovation. Small differences in these areas may not seem important at first, but over decades, they compound. That's why two countries that started at similar income levels can end up with completely different standards of living. Long-run growth shapes the future of nations. If you have any questions, comment down below. Goodbye.